So, I have heard, yes, I have heard this, that there is a new yarn at Walmart from the Pioneer Woman. Now, I know, she already had yarns. I did reviews on both of them. She came out with the cotton yarn, and then she came out with a really thick velvet chenille type yarn. And you can find reviews for both of those on my channel. But I heard through the grapevine that she came out with an acrylic. So, and I looked on my Walmart app, and it says it is available at my Walmart. So we're gonna go check it out. Whether or not it's there, I don't know. I'm hoping that it is, because my Walmart's yarn aisle has really went downhill. But let's go check it out and see if it's there. All right, and then we'll do a review on it on the next, see what it feels like and stuff, and then I'll on the next video I'll wash it up and dry it up, and we'll crochet it up and knit it up and see what the Pioneer Woman has to offer in her acrylic line. All right, we're here, my local Walmart. Let's hope they have it, right? Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get to the yarn aisle. Remember, it's not gonna be much. All right, here's my Walmart's yarn aisle. Now I hope they have the yarn here, because when I looked, it said that it did, but I don't know what it looks like, so I don't know what I'm looking for. But I'm not. Oh, there it is, guys, look. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, and they're mix and matches. Let's feel it. It feels like, oh gosh, it smells like Walmart, but you probably could have guessed that. It feels, I'm taking this, don't worry, because I smelled it. I know people get let's see, it feels, oh man, kind of like Mainstay, I guess. If I had to compare it to something, I would compare it to Walmart's Mainstay. And I bet you anything, it's probably Maine. In the same facility as that Mainstay. So this is made in Turkey. I know Mainstay, I think it's made in Turkey. Some of it, I don't know where it's made at now. It's been made at different places. Anyways, it feels like I said, if I had to compare it to something, I don't know. If it'd be Mainstay or maybe Joann's Big Twist, their value yarn, something like that. It feels fine. I mean, it's better than Red Heart Super Saver. I give it like a 6 on a scale of 1 to 5, you know. So I'm gonna get this one. I should have got a card, which I did, but my kids took off with it. I'm gonna make something out of it. Look at this one. I love the Pioneer Woman so much. That's why I'm so excited. That is so pretty, and I love it that it matches the coral, and the coral matches this one as well. I don't even know if that's the name of it. It is called coral. It is. It's coral. And then we got this beautiful blue, which matches this one and this one. Oh, I'm so excited. So it's $5.97 a ball, and we got 394 yards from $5.97. What are they classifying this as? 4-weight, I would assume. Says durable construction, vibrant color, good stitch definition. Yeah, acrylic. No, they're saying it's a lightweight 3. All right. Not my favorite, but let's look at it. It's doable. It's not a bad 3-weight. Okay, I'm getting this. Don't worry, I'm getting it. I'm gonna have a blanket made out of this. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take a quick look at my Walmart's sad one. Even Mainstay's gone downhill. Look at that. Red and white, that's it. Come on, Walmart. Do better. Same old stuff. Peaches and cream. I do like their Walmart Mainstay's anti-acrylic. Acrylic is not a bad yarn at all. Is there anything here that I can't live without? No. But they don't have enough of anything that really. My Walmart sucks. How's your guys' Walmart nowadays? Look at this. They just put it next to the flower bin, and I'm always hitting all these flowers every time I'm here now. That's okay. That's so pretty. They got a lot of this. I wish they had the latte stripes. I need a couple more of those. Generally they do. Ooh, this one's my favorite of all the stripes. The southern one. Oh yeah, it's just out the latte strips. They'll get it in again eventually. And then I'll grab it up. Big red hearts, little red hearts, blanket yarn, sparkle red heart, stripes. What's this? This doesn't look like stripes. Is that a stripe? It looks like a variegated. Super Saver stripes, huh? What's the color review? Bonbon print. I think that's a variegated yarn. And it's not a striped. What do you guys think? I don't know. This is my assessment. I've been known to be wrong many times before. This is so pretty. Favorite stripe. This is so bright and cheery. It makes me happy. Makes me happy. And I'm happy that Walmart has this yarn. Okay, I'm gonna go find my cart and load up on some of this. All right, I'm back and I'm gonna show you what I got. So since this is relatively new, at my Walmart, they only had 5 colors. So, and that's all they had space for on the shelf was 5 colors. So would I get more? I don't know. I guess it depends on how well it sells. Will my Walmart get more? I don't know. Probably not. My Walmart's not the most yarn-friendly Walmart there is. But I know there are people that have it worse. All right, I'm gonna show you all the 5 colors real quick. Georgie, skedaddle, man. If I can get them all, show them to you. I know. There we go. All right. So this is what they had at my Walmart. Remember, these were $5.97. I think that's what it was. So they had this one. And, you know, I don't feel bad for an acrylic. It does feel, you know, kind of like a value acrylic, but it doesn't feel bad. 100% acrylic, 394 yards or 360 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Brilliant Blooms acrylic yarn ball is what it's called by the Pioneer Woman. Now I love the Pioneer Woman. These colors are very much in style with her colors of things that she sells. This one's called this one's called Brilliant Blooms. That's weird. Are they all called that? No, that one says that. Okay. And then it also, you can see it shows right here the colors that are in it. Dark turquoise, white, teal, light pink, and coral. So that means you could take these other colors and match them up, I guess. I actually think that she's probably going to come out with more colors. I'll tell you why. So there's this one right here. And it's made in India. I think that's right. Not India, Turkey. Made in Turkey. 3-weight. Here we go. Everybody sees weights of yarn differently. It's one thing I learned from YouTube. Everybody sees it different. I think that's just fine for a 3-weight. Maybe even on the thicker side of a 3. But it's a good 3. I like that one. It's very pretty. And this was another variegated that she had. Teal stripes. I'm interested to see how this plays out. So be looking for that yarn review soon. And you can see this shows the colors that you could get to correspond with it. All the colors that are in it. So that kind of makes me think that maybe she's going to come out with more colors. Because, you know, I don't have no light blue here. Or no white or anything like that. I don't know if that means she's going to come out with more. And then there's this one. Ooh, this one's probably my favorite. This one's called Coral Stripes. This one is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Now, I don't know if that's picking up, but that's really red, actually. It's like a red and orange and corals, and it's very pretty. And it shows here that it includes red, flamingo, light pink, coral, and white. It'd be cool if she came out with other colors. I keep saying that, but I don't know. And then she had 2 solids there at my Walmart, and there were no other like spaces where they were going to add more. I looked online today as 7/27/2023. They didn't have it online available yet. It said like coming soon, but you couldn't buy it online. But I looked and it said that these were available at my Walmart. And here were the 2 solids that they had, blue and coral. So as you can see, these are going to be mixy matchy yarns. They're also pretty. So you could just do this and border it in that, or do this and border it in that. What I think I'm going to do first off is something in this and border it in this. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. And then next, something in this and border it in this. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. I showed it again. I like this one, but out of all of them, it's my least favorite color, but I still like it. And you know, the colors, the two solids that they had, both of them, you can make something out of this and border it with either one of these or both. Mix and match, or use them all in the same project. Use them everything in the same project. I like the way when yarns are able to mix and match. I like that a lot. Now, even though she doesn't have a lot of colors, like I said, these are very much in line with, if you know about the Pioneer Woman, these are very much in line with her colors. I do see her coming out with like a yellow and a red and stuff like that, because that's kind of the colors that she tends to go for, but only time will tell. But in at $5.97, 394 yards for a lightweight number 3, it's kind of like a value acrylic, like I said, but it is softer than Red Heart Super Saver. I'll say that. Like I said, I feel it's kind of like Walmart's mainstay. They're acrylic. You're paying a little bit for her name, of course you are, because that's just the way it is, you know. I don't think that though it's a really bad price in today's market. I mean, I bought it, I paid for it. I'm super excited because I love the Pioneer Woman and I love her color palettes of everything that she makes. So I can't wait to try it out. So I'm gonna get started on it. So look for the review soon. I'm gonna, like I said, crochet with it, wash it, dry it, knit with it, see what it looks like all done up and how well the Pioneer Woman acrylic performs. All right, thanks for going along. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, bye guys. I'm so excited about it. I don't even know why.